Hello everyone, I'm Seohee teacher. Today I'm going to read the story, Emperor's Super Dirty Robe. Once upon a time, there was an emperor who only cared about staying super clean. Look at my spotless eyebrows and mustache. I look marvelous. He washed his hands 20 times a day. He had a royal bubble bath with rubber ducks 3 times a day. Staying clean is the best, the emperor said proudly. One day, the emperor wanted to have a clean clothes contest. He announced to the whole world, I'm looking for designers who can make the cleanest clothes for my parade. Designers from all around the world came to the castle. The emperor gave them a lot of gold to buy fabric, accessories, and jewels. Here you go, please make me the most spotless clothes. However, there were 2 sneaky designers who didn't make any clothes. They spent all the money on food, ate, and slept all day. Just one day before the contest, the sneaky designers started to make the clothes. The next day, the emperor asked the designers one by one to come and show him the pieces that they made. Oh, look nice. I can't seem to choose. Then it was the 2 sneaky designers' turn. They made up a big story. Your Majesty, we made the cleanest clothes in the world. These clothes appear dirty to anyone who's dirty. The emperor saw a black robe with biscuit crumbs, cream sauce, and pasta noodles. It was even ripped. But he didn't want to look unclean. So the emperor said, wow, this robe looks so fresh and clean. Other servants and maids also did not want to seem dirty. They said, it looks spotless, Your Majesty. Hearing the compliments, the emperor decided this was the cleanest robe. On the day of the royal clean parade, the emperor put on his clean black robes and marched proudly through town. The people clapped and cheered, but inside, they were confused. Why is the emperor wearing such dirty clothes? They thought. Finally, a little boy shouted, Daddy, why is the emperor wearing dirty clothes for a clean parade? I can see the crumbs. Everyone gasped and then laughed. The emperor stopped, looked down, and turned bright red. He knew he had been fooled. He wasn't wearing the cleanest clothes, but the dirtiest robes. He ran all the way to the castle. From that day on, Emperor still loved being clean, but he learned to trust his judgment and to not believe everything that others told him. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!